Yes, this is a plant called Photinia, and it has these nice bright red shoots in the spring, flowers later on, but quite often they're not noticed very much. The way you propagate it, it's taken as semi-ripe cuttings in mid to late summer. They're usually about 10 to 15 centimetres, that's 4 to 6 inches long. You remove the lower leaves. You can dip the base of the cutting in a rooting hormone, and then if they're placed, I normally put them in a 5-inch pot, 4 or 5 cuttings around the edge, and give them a good water, and then cover them over either with a polythene bag, or if you've got one of these larger water bottles, you can cut the base off and put that over. They take a while to root. Quite often they'll have rooted by the autumn. Sometimes they won't show much in the way of root until the following spring. But basically that's the way to do it. The main thing is wait until the new shoots have turned from red to green before you take the cuttings.